Hello children, now 5th class mathematics, new chapter, 4th chapter. What is our chapter? Smaller lens, SMALLER, smaller, LENGTHS, lens, smaller lens, bigger lens, BIGGER, LENGTHS, lens, bigger lens, smaller lens and bigger lens. See children, now there two pencils having one blue color pencil, one red color pencil. Now estimate how long these pencils are. How long these pencils are? See here. Now measure them by using a scale. How to measure? So measuring by scale. See children, you know this scale, you know. In this chapter 2 compulsory you take scale to only measuring meters, centimeters. See this scale too, they are having, see children, same, this like only having upon the scale. See their lines having 1 to 3 having, so 1 to 15. Here also they are down small having lines. In the middle also, see, observe children, here in the middle lines also there. So these lines here 0 to here 1 centimeter. cm means centimeter. Here in middle one lines are there. See here to here how many lines are there? Let's now count. 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth line some big only. See fifth line some big. 6 7 8 9 10. So 0 to 10th line, this is the one. So which lines is this? These lines will divided into millimeters. Each one line 1 millimeter only. Millimeter. 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeters. 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeters. Children, 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeters. Understand now? See here. Observe first. What do you observe? Now measure them by using a scale. How to measure your scale or tape? The small things will measure with scale, where long things will measure a tape. You know, the carpenter will measure big scales and tape. Understand children? See here, the blue pencil is 6 centimeters. The blue pencil keeping this like only here to here. See this like only. 0 to. Observe children, here having 6. See. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. In your scale too. Observe children. Take scale, understand, and measure it. Okay? Now see, in blue color pencil, how much more? See, how many centimeters? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How much? The blue pencil is 6 centimeters. The blue pencil is 6 centimeters. How long these pencils? 6 centimeters. The blue pencil is. So first of all you estimate it. Say 7 I think. This one. This some long only. So 7.5. So estimating. Now measuring only. In blue pencil how much? 6 centimeters. Blue pencil 6 centimeters only. Now the red pencil is more than 6 centimeters. See, red pencil, see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 7, not 6. In middle. See children, this edge here only. Understand? Here, this line. Here only edge. So 1 centimeter is divided into 10 smaller lengths. See here, smaller lengths having 10 smaller lengths. These smaller lengths are called millimeters. I am before only explaining that. Before only saying I am. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. 10 smaller lengths. 10 the smaller lengths are called millimeter. 10 millimeters are equal to a centimeters. 10 millimeters equals to a centimeter. So each millimeter is 1/10th of centimeters. So each millimeter, see here 1 millimeter, 2, 3, like that only. So each 1 millimeter equals to 1/10th of a centimeter. So the red pencil is 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters long. See, red pencil 6 centimeters or 7 centimeters. Millimeter is represented by mm. Millimeter is represented by mm. So the red pencil is dash millimeter more in length than blue pencil. How many millimeters more? See here, how many lines will more? That much millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 millimeters more in length than blue pencil. Understand children? Compulsory you take scale and measure it. Okay? Now see children. See now. Page number 41. Do this problems is there. Measure the length of object item given below and record in the table. See here, item, object is given, measure and length. Your pencil, how much length having? You write here. Your chalk, your thumbnail and your longest finger of hand, your rubber. So, you find it how many centimeters having, how many millimeters having, you find it and write it. Okay? See children, estimate, draw and then measure length of these lines. A line of half a centimeter. First half a centimeter line. Estimate and writing here I am. So this one half or not. So I will taking 1 centimeters only. So this one is wrong. So half centimeter. Half means this like will keep. See. This only half a centimeter. Understand children? This is half a centimeter. In middle one line is there. In big line 5 mm, 5 millimeters means half centimeter. Understand? Here A line of 6 centimeter. A line of 6 centimeters. So I am drawing this like only. So correct or wrong? See, I am writing another paper too. Drawing. See, this is 6th line or see here. So you keep 0 2 and here 6. So some only will different will come. So we'll draw 6 centimeters. Understand? You keep scale this like, see children, you keep scale how much you want. Third one 10 centimeters. One example, see. So first of all you keep and 0 to you draw this like only 0 to 10 centimeters means first of all you see where having 10 here. So you scale keep properly and draw this like only 0 to you catch proper way. Okay children, you catch proper way and draw. Okay. See children, this like draw proper way 10 centimeters. So next a line of 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters line also you draw it. Okay. See children, now try this problem still given. Which insects that you know are of less than 1 centimeter in length? In which insect is 1 centimeter length less than 1 centimeter? Mosquitoes and houseflies, ants, you know, bugs. So what insects having less than 1 centimeters? You write it. Okay, here write it. Next, estimate the length of the chalk pieces and color them as given below. Then measure and check if your estimate was correct. Chalk of length less than 1 centimeter, keep red color. Chalk of length between 1 and 2 centimeters, blue color. Chalk of length between 2 and 3 centimeter, green color. So you estimate the length of the chalk pieces and color them. Okay. See children, there are less than 1 centimeter means you keep which color? Red color. This one less than 1 centimeter, more than 1 centimeter, less than 1 centimeter. So more than 1 centimeter, 1 and 2 centimeters between having means blue color will keep. 2 and 3 centimeters between having means green color. So you estimate this one less than 1 centimeter. You keep the red color, fill it. Okay. Don't write here red. You fill the red color. Crayons will take and keep red color here. Next 1 and 2 mean between number, between length having means that blue color will keep. Okay. Okay children, you try this. Next one. Today is Rangayapalli School Sports Day. So the results of long jump made by 6 children are given in the table below. See here. Name of child, distance jumped. Sandhya 3 meters and 10 centimeters. Lakshmi 3 meters and 25 centimeters. Shailaja 3 meters and 60 centimeters. Kiran 3 meters 5 centimeters. Bhairav 3 meters 20 centimeters. M means meters, cm means centimeters. Understand children? M means meter, cm means centimeters. Nitin 3 meters and 50 centimeters. So 1 meter equals to how much? This problem I am next class to explaining. First of all, you observe children, you remember it. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Understand? You remember this. 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. They're down having this. This is the inches. Understand? Inches. This centimeters and small millimeters. Not liters, meters. Okay? So observe, children. This remember it, and this one next class to explaining game. Okay? Okay, first of all you observe this. In next class 2 I am asking questions, you give. Okay? Okay, children.